How we create new sundry or stock items in Dolphin is achieved as following. From the Dolphin main form, open the Setup tab at the top of the screen and select the Items button to open up our item setup screen. From this screen, we would go to the plus button below the listed items and click on that button, which will open up a menu in which we can add items that are either linked to departments such as our litho paper, litho ink, litho plates, outsourcing, or our white format, or any other department that is currently linked in the Dolphin system. If the item is a sundry item that is not linked, we would utilize the Add Unlinked Item button, and this would open up our Add screen. In this screen, we can enter the selling unit price for our item. We can specify whether or not this is a service item. We can specify a GL ID for our general ledger. The item name can be entered into the item field. We can allocate a specific code, the same as our accounting code would be allocated. We can indicate whether or not tax is to be charged on this item, minimum and maximum quantities, as well as whether or not this is a retail item for resale, and the unit of measure can be specified: kilograms, each, liters, or any other unit of measure as required. Once we have entered the information into this menu, we click on the OK button, and this will upload sundry item number 1 into our item list. By default, all items that are added would be added as service items, and therefore we have to first convert this item into a stock item in order to purchase material and adjust or manage stock levels on this specific item. This is achieved by using the Extra button located below the product item list. And service items, when selecting the Extra button, will always open up the Convert Service Item to Stock Item, to which we must confirm that this item is going to be converted to a stock item, and a double warning is issued that this process cannot be reversed. Are we sure we want to proceed? Yes. And this item is now converted to a service item, to which we can either proceed to place an order or adjust our stock level on hand, once again, to the quantity that we do have on hand in our storeroom, with a note indicating stock update on take on the specific date that we are updating the stock level. We click on the Adjust button, confirm we wish to update the quantity on hand, close the menu, and therefore we have now created a new sundry item with the quantity on hand being updated after converting a service item to a stock item. This is the process employed. We can also allocate a supplier from the supplier menu, clicking on the plus button under suppliers and specifying a specific supplier at the unit price at which they will supply that product for us, and this will then update the database with this product being available from this specific supplier as of the date uploaded. This is the process of adding a new sundry item or line item that is linked to a specific department in Dolphin.